All right, my friend. Welcome to the windy town of Puerto Morelos here. We're on the edge of the town, across the highway from the beach. Gonna go check out this little house here. Dead end street in this gated community. Very, very quiet. Let's go have a peek. Hot and humid. Oh, okay, so you got the little homes over here, and then you walk through to the apartments on this side. Okay, I think this might be where the pool is. We're gonna get some rain here. It's been pretty dry lately, I guess, so. Oh yeah, look at those clouds, wow. Okay, nice property back in here. These look all pretty new too. Sea of houses, sea of apartments. Yeah, really nice pool. Is there a gym here?
Yeah, but it's outdoor.
Outdoor gym.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
It's over there. Look.
Yeah, oh yeah, I see. Yeah. Perfecto.
You have a grill for barbecue?
Yeah.
Lots of them.
Yeah, lots of outdoor living space here. Yeah, the pool is beautiful. Very nice.
Really nice. I don't know what is now on, but this is a
fountain.
A fountain.
Ah, okay. See, Jennifer speaks a little Spanish. She understands it.
Muy bien.
We've been in Mexico for 4 years.
Ah, muy bien.
Sí, 2 años Yucatán, 1 años en Jalapa, Veracruz,
Wow.
1 años in Oaxaca, Huachuco, and then Puerto Escondido for 1 month.
Wow.
And then Huachuco. Yeah, oh,
Oh, yeah.
the comida.
Las
Everybody says how good the
Chiapas,
food is.
¿tú never been in Chiapas?
Solo para vacaciones.
Muy bonito. Yo quiero vivir en San Cristóbal. Las casas.
Oh, yeah, here's your little gym. They got a basketball court.
This is a kids area.
Yeah, kids area. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
It's to play something.
Yeah, excelente. Okay.
In this area, for example, a birthday or any
Okay, yeah, we have a
celebration, you
party.
can,
Yeah.
you can have a party of it.
Yeah. Do you rent it or is it come
No,
for
it's-
free?
It's
free. Oh, okay. Perfecto.
You only need to tell me
Yeah.
and
then-
separate the day,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Okay. Perfecto. Perfecto. Okay, that's very nice.
What
So,
about maintenance? Is that included?
The maintenance is included.
the maintenance is included in the internet. Yeah, and then this place has solar, so that's awesome.
That's great.
That is awesome. That's a bonus, man. Big bonus with solar power.
Hola, hola.
Hola. Buenos días. Hola, buenos días.
That house was closed for many days for that reason it smelled.
Yeah, it's just nobody's lived in it. Yeah, no, that's
But the
okay.
internet is fiber optic.
Yeah, I see the small little cable, fiber optic.
You have 3 air conditioners.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. You have this. I know it's not too big. But
No, it's sufficient.
No, it's perfect. It's perfect. Only the 2 of us.
Somos dos.
No children, no niños.
bueno. You have everything for
Big
coffee.
table. Nice. Little TV, perfect.
A little TV.
Perfecto.
Here, the bathroom, el baño.
Yeah.
Tiene cancel.
Oh, nice glass. I like that. I like that. No shower curtain. That's a bonus. Very nice. Okay. Oh, we got a little room here. This is nice. Very nice. And you got a tiny little backyard, but I mean, whatever, you got a little space out here. You can hang your laundry, sit out here. Cool area. You got the full-size wash machine here. Little sink over here. You got storage up there. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Okay.
The main room.
Yeah.
Really
Perfect.
nice furniture. I like
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. No, it's
And
nice.
the backyard.
Yeah.
The patio.
Very nice. Big closet. This all stays. This chair.
Washing machine.
This goes with the house
See, this is for outside.
for the patio. Yeah. See.
Pero
See.
ahora está aquí adentro.
Okay. Perfecto. Okay. And here's the spare bedroom. You got a
Y aquí tienes
double
un-
bed plus a bunk bed. This would be perfect for Nathan. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, a little workstation there. Oh, there you go. That could be for me. And you can work out there. Nice. So the power bill will be really cheap with the solar panels. And there's all the linen and bedding. There's dishes as well? Ah, perfecto.
And even things that we've never had, like a cheese grater.
A cheese
You have
no-
everything to
Yeah. What is the hot water on demand?
on demand because they have a.
Not much pressure. Pressure is pretty weak though.
A ver, déjale preguntar. Oye, ¿aquí tienen bomba de presión de agua? Sí. Ah, this a pump pressure. ¿Está prendida?
Oh, maybe it's not on. I'll check the shower. That seemed all right. Let's see what the pressure is
¿Por
like.
qué no hay presión? ¿Sí hay presión?
Ahorita lo checo, voy a checar allá arriba.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be okay.
This house has a handyman that is he. Whatever you need, he is going to help you, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Anything. He knows all the house.
Yeah, okay. Perfecto. I really like it. It's nice. It's really
I
nice.
think this is a good option.
All right, my friend, we're gonna go check out another one here in Puerto Morelos. We're just down the street in a different gated community. These ones here look a little bit older. They've been here longer. The same exact layout.
Exactly.
Yeah, a lot of grass. That's okay. Yeah, it's exactly the same, eh? Exactly. Very similar. Similar.
But the backyard is un poquito más grande.
Ah, okay. Yeah, this property's been here longer. You can tell, like this is no solar here,
No solar.
but the TV's bigger. Muy grande TV with surround sound,
Sí, that is-
and the couch is a little nicer, small but nice. Nice little couch, AC,
un poquito más grande.
bathroom. Yeah, same bed. Got the big mirror in here. So, oh, this one's got a little bit of a smaller bed. So you got bunk beds, but it's got just two single bunk beds. Got the closet. Here's the master bedroom. Smaller. Oh, this is the one with the jacuzzi, right? This has a jacuzzi tub outside here. Does it actually work?
¿Qué incluye?
Mantenimiento. Y ya.
Yeah, there's a nice little backyard though. Does this work? Yeah? There you go, jacuzzi tub. Oh! And this place is how much?
12 and a half.
Oh, okay, 12 and a half, and the other one's 15.
15.
But the solar is gonna make it
It's a
make up for the price difference. Yeah, okay. And this one here is a little bit more run down a little bit. You know, it's not as nice. Like, you know, it's chipped here. The fridge is older, you can tell. You know, it's not as nice. The other one's nicer.
No dishes.
Yeah. The other one is much nicer. So, Okay, we'll go look at the El Faro one, right?
And we're going to see the pool area.
Oh, yeah, okay, we'll take a look at the pool. Yeah.
We're in El Faro right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is El Faro. Okay, we'll go check out the pool. Yeah, this is more of a developed community here for sure. Been here longer. It's bigger. And it looks like the pool's right here. Yeah, just, okay. That's okay.
But I'm not.
No, we don't have to go in. I can see.
okay.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I can see it. Yeah, it's fine. It's like a nice area. The
And
pool
it's
back
near
there.
to the house.
Yeah, it's close to the house, yeah. So it's fingerprint activated or your code, so that's okay. Okay, excellent.
And let's see the last one.
Okay, perfecto.
Where's the last?
All right, Chico, we're just looking at another place here. Sí, sí, sí.
Yeah, okay.
Perfecto. We're just looking at the pool here. Take a quick peek. Okay, so we just crossed the highway.
I love this.
So here's the common area.
Sí. Okay.
Nice.
This is el área común, common area. Swimming pool. Esta es alta y la otra es el chapoteadero para niños. Okay.
Does this Pravada have a gym?
No.
No gym? No gymnasium? Okay, no problemo. It's got a lot of roads to jog down though. You want to go running down the road. It's big. Muy grande. Okay, so two little pools here. It's nice. Nice area. Okay. Yeah, nice bathroom, shower. Perfecto. Okay. Very nice. Okay, we'll go look at the other place. Go look at the home inside here. This is a very big community. Very big. Looks like some high-end houses in here. Looks expensive. Looks expensive. I think this one might be 16 maybe. This looks like this is it here. Got cameras up there. I think gotcha. Okay. Oh, how much is this place?
14.
This one's 14. Okay. Well, that's 1,000 pesos.
But
Gee.
it's only this area. This is no included.
Oh, does somebody live up there?
No, the owner sometimes coming, but
Oh, okay,
There's
okay.
nobody
Yeah,
living
yeah,
here.
yeah. So it's the owner who comes once in a while.
once in a while, huh?
Okay, and this is a little pool here.
That's right.
Does it work?
Yes, it's a kind of jacuzzi, more a pool. It's
Yeah,
like a
and
jacuzzi.
we could use
You
this?
can use, yes, of course.
Oh.
This part
Is all
is
for
all
you?
for you.
Oh.
The only part is
Upstairs. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Wow.
You have a small kitchen here.
Yeah.
Oh, big sink, dear.
Yeah, big sink, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is separate. Okay, so you would, this is your living area here. We would change the fridge, obviously, so she said that wouldn't be a problem. Either we buy a big one, a used one, or whatever.
There's no AC.
Oh, there's no AC in here. Oh. Yeah, no AC. Okay, well that's a deal breaker right there. Kind of a funky layout. Too bad because it's a nice place. We'll see what the rest was.
Right now it's closed because the neighbor have a a few boxes. They're going to bring them and.
Oh,
and
okay.
everything.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
one room.
yeah.
I'm going to send you the pictures.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I can see.
This is
It's
the
fine.
bathroom.
It's fine. I can see.
Oh, that's quite unique.
Oh, is that ever unique? I gotta use the baño.
I like it.
Oh, this is nice.
The room.
Yeah, no AC in any of these.
No.
In any room, no. That's and the bed, a single bed in here. Jennifer would have to sleep on top of me.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
There's a workspace.
Yeah, they got a workspace though, yeah. But there's no AC in any room. In any room. I'm gonna use a baño. But it's very unique, that's for sure. Wow, so you got a shower here, and you're exposed to the elements here. You got oh, you got a cover on it. Okay, well, it just lets light in. So here's your little shower here. Very cool. That's kind of unique. Very unique fan. But there with no AC is a deal breaker. Tiny little sink, eh? Look at that. It's a real beach home, this one. There's the dungeon down there. Oh, okay. Oh, the wash machine's there.
Wash and
Okay.
dryer.
Okay, yeah. See? Okay. Yeah, I really like it though. It's cute. It's a cute place. It is kind of cute.
About them, the bed, the refrigerator, and the air conditioners. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Just the
Yeah.
order of them.
Okay. Perfecto.
Okay?
Yeah, it's cute though. Very cute. Okay. I really do like this one.
It'd be like living in your own personal jungle.
Yeah, you got your own little jungle back here. So the owner lives upstairs. The only thing it's got is no AC is really a big drawback. The fridge is not a problem, but without AC. All right, my friend. So we saw some great options today. They were all pretty awesome, really. The first one really has my heart with the solar panels. Can't beat that, right? You know, and then the second one had a nicer couch, big flat screen TV. Was a little bit run down, but still pretty nice place. The price was pretty decent, I must admit. Thumbs up for the price on that one. And the third one was pretty cool, like with that outdoor area, living area. It was pretty nice. And then that bathroom was pretty cool, though it was separate from the living area. But with no AC, that last one was pretty much a no bueno. So we're gonna keep looking, my friend. We're gonna head to Playa del Carmen here pretty quick, so you might as well come on back and check it out, and let's see what else we can see. That's it, that's all. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios. Hasta luego. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero. Llegaron las bailadoras y ellas llegaron primero.